To configure the chart of accounts, go to the Financial menu and select the Chart of Accounts option. Here you can set up the categories used for entering expenses or income. The system comes with a default configuration that covers all necessary entries for a laboratory. However, you're free to create your own subcategories. As an example, under the category Fixed Salaries, click the plus button to create a subcategory with the employee's name. After creating the subcategory, click Register. Repeat the same process for categories like commissions, bonuses, or prizes. Keep in mind that you can edit any item later by clicking the pencil icon. To demonstrate how to use these categories, go to the Financial section and select Accounts Payable. Then click Add Expense. Under the Type field, choose Employee. The list of registered employees will appear. Select the specific employee, such as Joseph. In the Categories field, enter the initials of the subcategory you created for that employee. These categories are especially important in the income statement P&L, where you can view a detailed breakdown of the total amounts for each category and subcategory.